In this video, we listed the 5 best budget drawing tablets that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VEIKK 1200 Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK 1200 is a feature-rich drawing tablet with screen designed for digital artists. It utilizes full laminated technology and anti-glare glass, ensuring precise cursor positioning and minimal parallax, while protecting the 11.6-inch IPS display with 1920 by 1080 resolution and 72% NTSC color accuracy. The tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and up to 60 degrees of tilt with its battery-free pen, providing a natural drawing experience without interruptions. Connectivity options include USB-C for data, power, and DP signal transmission, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. Customizable shortcut keys enhance productivity, and its compact, stylish design makes it portable for on-the-go use. Accessories like additional pens, pen nibs, a pen holder, artist glove, and cleaning cloth are included, backed by a 1-year hardware warranty and lifetime driver upgrades. Number 2. GAOMON PD1161. The GAOMON PD1161 is a versatile drawing tablet designed for digital artists and creators. It features an 11.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with a matte protective film for a paper-like feel and reduced glare. The tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt functionality, enhancing precision and artistic expression. It connects via USB and HDMI, compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later. 8 programmable press keys and a battery-free stylus further enhance workflow customization, making it suitable for a wide range of creative tasks from drawing and image editing to digital note-taking and collaborative work. Number 3. PicassoTab X Drawing Tablet. The Simbans 10-inch tablet offers a versatile digital experience with its 4GB RAM and 64GB storage capacity, running on the Android operating system. Ideal for creative users, it features 1,024 levels of pressure sensitivity with an included stylus pen, perfect for drawing, animation, and note-taking. The package includes valuable extras like a tablet case, drawing glove, universal power adapter, and pre-installed screen protector, enhancing its value. Powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor, it ensures smooth performance for multitasking, complemented by an IPS HD screen for clear visuals. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI for linking to TVs, and a USB Type-C port, supported by certifications ensuring safety and quality standards, backed by a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Number 4. PicassoTab XL Drawing Tablet. The Simbans PicassoTab XL is a versatile standalone drawing tablet designed for mobility and creativity without the need for a computer connection. Featuring a large 11.6-inch screen with IPS HD resolution, it offers 30% more drawing area and clear visuals. Equipped with 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity, it includes a stylus pen and pre-installed drawing app, making it suitable for artists on the go. This Android-based device supports a wide range of apps, allowing users to watch, play, and surf the web anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes bundled with essential accessories like a tablet case, drawing glove, universal power adapter, and screen protector, providing a comprehensive out-of-the-box experience. Certified by GMS, FCC, and CE standards, and backed by a 1-year warranty, the PicassoTab XL ensures both quality and peace of mind for users. Number 5. XP Pen Artist13.3 Pro. The XP Pen Artist13.3 Pro is a professional-grade drawing tablet known for its advanced features and ergonomic design. It utilizes fully laminated technology to merge the glass and screen seamlessly, minimizing parallax for a distraction-free working experience. The battery-free stylus supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and includes finer pen nibs, enhancing natural drawing and painting with precise positioning and superior line performance. The tablet also boasts tilt functionality up to 60 degrees, allowing for intuitive shading and smoother transitions between strokes. With a high color gamut covering 88% NTSC, it delivers vivid colors and detailed images across a wide viewing angle. The device features a red dial and 8 customizable shortcut keys to streamline creative workflows, compatible with various software including Photoshop, Illustrator, and more on both Windows and Mac operating systems.